Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best USB Type-C Cable. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. WBQ USB Type-C Charger Cable. WBQ USB-C cable accelerates the charging speed by delivering safe charging current, supports fast charging up to 5V and 2.4A, and data transfer speeds up to 480 Mbps. Number 4. Teeind USB Type-C cable. Strong fiber, the most flexible, powerful and durable material, makes tensile force increased by 200%. Can bear 8,000 plus bending test. The C charger cable, fast charging, has electronic safety certifications that comply with appropriate standards. You don't have to worry about the quality of this cable at all. Number 3. QQLIKE USB Type-C cable. With its braided nylon insulation and precisely layer-welded connectors, which make it more durable and sturdier than normal cables, but also flexible and tangle-free. Compact, heat-resistant, stainless steel connector heads allows the cable to fit most cases. Number 2. Small electric USB Type-C cable. The cable has a durable nylon braided design, with premium aluminum housing and sturdy nylon fiber cover, adds premium durability to the cable, which makes it easily survive everyday usage, and gives it a more stylish and elegant appearance that goes great with your expensive gadgets. Number 1. Deegotech USB Type-C charging cable. USB Type-C aluminum cover, for safe and reliable, solid 23R Uben Florence wire core, is housed within charging up to 2.4A standard 56K ohm pull-up resistor. Contained, enjoying the fast charge and data sync anywhere and anytime.